Okay, here we are in San Bernardino, a recent build we just finished up with a knotty alder island with shaker doors. The perimeter cabinets are paint grade maple, also with shaker doors. Glass cabinets on the top third. The island has an 18-inch wide trash pullout that we make in-house. We use Blum soft close hardware, rated up to 75 pounds. It's our spice pullout, also made in-house, with 3 tiers, the middle one being adjustable. One of my favorites, the paper towel and soap pullout for next to a sink. But one of our customer favorites is a pan drawer, with vertical dividers that can be moved or removed to accommodate all your cookware. Pantry with pull-out shelves on the inside. Can also hold up to 75 pounds on the Blum soft close hardware. Soft close hinges as well. A custom hood built around a hood liner provided by the customer with shaker panel and a knotty alder highlight. Floating shelves on the far side and a quartz countertop to finish it off. The island has shaker panels on the sides for the detail. The backs of the cabinets are 16 inches deep for storage. 5.5-inch wide posts here.
Hello! New kitchen, we are happy with, so order yours.
Microwave below counter. Got a farm sink in the island. Shaker panel both sides. Furniture style toe kick to complement the front. So with that furniture style toe kick, shaker panels, the baseboards, and the custom posts, and the skirt in between the posts, really makes this look like a custom piece of furniture. Thanks for watching.